Welcome to Mr. Leo English. Today's topic is at the hotel check-in. Ben arrives at the hotel in the evening and goes to the front desk to check in.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Good evening.
How can I help you today?
I would like to check in. I have a reservation.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Ben Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Let me check your reservation. I see your reservation here.
Great. Is my room ready?
Yes, your room is ready.
Good. I booked one room for 2 nights, right?
Yes, 1 room, 2 nights.
Okay, and 1 bed?
Yes, 1 bed. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure. Here you are. Is this my first time staying here?
Yes, this is your first stay.
All right. Is the hotel quiet at night?
Yes, it is very quiet.
That's good.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please. Can I have a room on a high floor?
Yes, of course.
Is there a city view?
Yes, your room has a city view.
Nice. Is the room far from the elevator?
No, it's close to the elevator.
Perfect.
Your room number is 708,
708. Which floor is that?
the 7th floor.
Okay. Where is the elevator?
On your right.
Thank you. What is checkout time?
Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Can I check out late?
Yes, but please tell us before 10 a.m.
Okay. Is there an extra fee?
Yes, sometimes. Let me tell you about our services.
Sure. Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi in all rooms.
What is the password?
It's on your key card holder.
Okay. Do you have a restaurant?
Yes, on the 1st floor.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is included.
Great. Do you have a gym?
Yes.
Is it open now?
Yes, it is open 24 hours.
Nice. What about a swimming pool?
We have a rooftop pool.
What time is it open?
From 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Can I use it today?
Yes, you can. Now, let's talk about payment.
How much is the room per night?
It's $120 per night.
All right. Do I need to pay now?
Yes, we take payment at check-in.
Is there a deposit?
Yes, a small deposit.
Okay. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, of course.
Here you are.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you. Can I get a receipt?
Yes, email or paper.
Email, please.
Here is your key card.
Thank you. If I need help, what should I do?
Please dial 0 on the phone.
Dial 0. Okay. Is the front desk open all night?
Yes, 24 hours. Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. One more question. Is there a supermarket nearby?
Yes, just across the street.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Practice key sentences for hotel check-in. Now, let's practice some important sentences. These simple sentences help you check in at a hotel easily. Listen, repeat, and try to remember them. Check in. I would like to check in. I have a reservation. My name is Ben Wilson. Room questions. Is my room ready? 1 room for 2 nights. Can I have a non-smoking room? Is there a city view? Hotel services. Is there free Wi-Fi? What time is breakfast? Do you have a gym? Do you have a swimming pool? Payment. How much is the room per night? Can I pay by credit card? Can I get a receipt? Practice these sentences slowly. If you can say them, you can check in at a hotel with confidence. Thank you for learning with Mr. Leo English. Please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next lesson.